All right, what's on the agenda for tonight?
So there's a Beyonce Billboard somewhere over by where you live, and I want to go get either a drone boomerang or climb up on it and then get a drone boomerang.
Damn.
So it's late. I don't think anyone's gonna be out. It's midnight. We should go see what we can get. Who knows? Maybe there's like trees and shit around it and I can't do it, but I feel like I could. I can always find a way to get the drone boomerangs. All right, let's go. Yeah.
Is this the Uber for Sean?
This is the David Malavia Uber. I really honestly hope that I could climb up it. Like if I can get on it, like.
I mean, I'll do it with you.
That shit will be fucking legendary.
And the lookout, here's Wilshire. So he said right past here.
Wilshire.
Dude, I see it. It's fucking down there.
Oh shit.
It's huge, dude.
Tight.
This is huge.
Dude, and it has this whole long ass street. This is tight. Taco truck right there, bro.
Dude, you're seeing a huge ass Beyonce face and you're thinking about tacos?
No, I'm saying that it's gonna be hard to climb up here if there's tacos.
Dude, I'm getting the sickest shot of this right now. Initial reaction?
It's crazy. That's fucking crazy, yo. Got the drone.
There's someone in the back seat sleeping.
I've been there. I used to sleep outside of this like grocery store in my home state just to go snowboarding every weekend. I used to have a place to stay, so I'd just sleep in my car. One time I woke up and I went to bed and the lot was empty, and I woke up in the morning, it was packed, you know what I mean? It was like Sunday morning, everyone's going to get groceries. Someone left a note on my window that said, "Find God."
Oh my God.
I sleep in my car, man?
So that's it right there?
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here, man.
Let's walk around the other side.
Yeah.
Man, I want to climb up there so fucking bad. There's so many cameras, like filming every angle of me trying to figure out how to get up there. It's crazy. Shit, that was terrible. Fuck. What am I doing? Dude, why can I not figure out the whip there?
Oh shit.
What?
They just pulled up. They think you're just like on your phone though. You're good.
Okay, this might be fun actually. And take one more stab at it and call it a day. Grab a shot. I think it was cool. Yeah, I just wish that there was more like city buildings in the background or whatever, but it still looks cool. Like when I ramp it, it's gonna look fucking nuts. The only thing that'd be cool to do would be to get up on there, and that's impossible.